Hello boss. Now today I will introduce our potato chips production line for semi-automatic. This machine is washing and peeling machine. It's for peel potato skin. This one is use hard brush ruler, and here is faucet, gas bottle water. This one here, potato will out from this hole. Now this one is washing and peeling machine. When it's finished, you need to put the potato here. This one is our cutting machine. Now let me show you. Oh, you can check this knife. This knife we can design 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter for different thickness. This one is chips cutter. When it's finished, you need use blanching machine. Blanching machine with hot water to remove some sugar. Okay, now this one. You can see this one equipped with control box. You can set the temperature, and this one is emergency stop. This one is blanching machine. When it's finished, you need to remove water. Use this machine. This type is the water machine. Yes, equipped one basket and with high speed to remove water. Water will out from here. When it's finished, this one is fryer. It's important machine. You need to put chips here and use 170 degrees to fry your chips. And around 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Yeah. After when it's finished, you need to use this machine, the oil machine, to remove oil. Now this machine, the water or the oil machine equipped with control box. It's very easy to operate for workers. When it's finished, you need to use this one. It's flavoring machine. Okay. Now this machine will be ready to ship. So we checked. And when it's finished, flavoring machine finished, we can equip it with this machine, packaging machine. Also we have another type for automatic or just a sealing machine. Workers needed to weight such as 100 gram to put chips into this tank, and then and then your chips will into this bag, and seal. It's finished. And this one is nitrogen type. It's for make nitrogen generator. Now this one is air compressor. This one usually need you purchase in local. And this one is air tank for storage air. And this one is for dry air. And this one is nitrogen generator. This one is nitrogen. And then nitrogen will through this tube and then into this basket. Now this one is our whole line. It's our whole line for semi-automatic potato chips production line. Okay, thanks for your watching. Thanks.